David the Bug-Eye Guy here at BugEyeGuy.com, and here's our red wheel with white walls racer. And this car immediately brought up for me a car I had seen in many photographs. This is a beautifully restored, he calls it an airport racer, a gentleman named Dominic Valentino on the West Coast. Beautifully executed restored car, nice colors and graphics, and I thought, why don't we go after that same look? Let's see if we can even improve on it while we're at it. I know, for example, one of the things he did was to put his racing roundel in the center of the wheelbase, so he had it directly between the wheels. I think it looks a lot better centered on the door. I don't know if you can see that, so that's one thing we'll do differently. And then you start to wonder, where should you put all the pieces? These red stripes are just mocked up here. We're going to put them right down the middle, but then should the number go right in the center, or how would you handle it? I'd love to hear your feedback to this post. You can post your comments. I had one Bug-Eye that had the roundel off to the side. I thought that looked really cool, but there was no stripe on that car. So we'll probably put this one right about there. We also decided to go with the 14-inch variety instead of the 13-inch roundel. And that will also go on the center of the car, but a little further forward than he's got it. I believe it should look more like you could see the number if the car is coming at you right down the racetrack. Anyway, those are some of the decisions that we're working on this week. How to make this car more interesting and really cool looking at BugEyeGuy.com.